The 10 best Call of Duty games of all time. We've included everything from Modern Warfare to World War II. Here's a list of the 10 best Call of Duty games of all time. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Call of Duty 2. Call of Duty 2 is the second game in the Call of Duty series, and it was released on October 25, 2005, globally. The game, like its older brother, is set during World War II, and players take on the roles of 4 individuals, 1 from each of the 3 armies and 2 from the British Army. There are 27 missions in total, divided into 3 stories and spread across 4 campaigns. New features in Call of Duty 2 include regenerative health and a grenade symbol that indicates when a grenade is about to explode. When the game was first released, critics lauded the graphics and sound, and the game earned mostly positive reviews. Call of Duty: Black Ops 4. Black Ops 4 is the follow-up to Black Ops 3 released in 2015 and the 16th chapter in the Call of Duty series overall. It's the first Call of Duty game to forego a single-player campaign mode in favor of solo missions that focus on the backstories of the game's multiplayer characters, the Specialists. Missions take place chronologically between Black Ops 2 and Black Ops 3. 3 different zombie maps are included in the game. Call of Duty: World at War. World at War was the first game in the series to have a zombie mode, and Glue Mobile created a mobile version. Private C. Miller, U.S. Petty Officer Locke, and Private Dmitry Petrenko are the characters in the game. It focuses on World War II's Pacific and Eastern Front theaters and includes a new cooperative mode that supports up to 4 players online and 2 players locally. When it was initially released, World at War earned great reviews from critics and went on to sell more than 3 million copies in the United States in its first 2 months. Call of Duty: Black Ops 3. The game is set in 2065, 40 years after the events of Black Ops 2. The world is in disarray due to new technology and environmental changes, therefore a team of cybernetically augmented Black Ops is on a mission to restore order. However, the line between mankind and what has been made becomes increasingly blurred. Call of Duty: Black Ops 3 was a commercial success, and in 2015, it was the best-selling retail game in the United States. Call of Duty: Modern Warfare 3. The game was the sequel to 2009's Call of Duty: Modern Warfare 2 and concluded the original Modern Warfare narrative. Players take command of Task Force 141, which includes Captain Price, Soap McTavish, and Yuri, right after the last mission of Modern Warfare 2. Task Force 141 is on a mission to track down and apprehend Vladimir Makarov, a Russian terrorist responsible for a series of terror acts across Europe. Modern Warfare 3 garnered favorable critical reviews and was a financial success upon release, winning the Best Shooter category at the 2011 Spike Video Game Awards. Call of Duty: Black Ops. The game takes place during the Cold War in the 1960s and follows CIA operative Alex Mason. Alex is attempting to recall specific memories that will assist him with locating a numbers station, which he must reach as soon as possible. If he doesn't, it will be disseminated to sleeper agents across the United States who will employ chemical weapons. Call of Duty: Black Ops sold more than 5.9 million units globally in just 24 hours after its release. Call of Duty: Modern Warfare. It's the 16th game in the COD series, and it's set in a realistic and contemporary scenario. The mission follows British SAS forces and a CIA official as they join up with Urzikstan rebels to fight Russian troops who have taken over their country. In addition to revamping the gameplay, new features such as a version of Ground War mode that now supports up to 64 people and a realism mode that eliminates the head-up display have been included. Call of Duty 4: Modern Warfare was praised for its gameplay, plot, and graphics after garnering mixed pre-release reviews. At the 2019 Game Critic Awards, it was also named Best Online Multiplayer. Call of Duty: Black Ops 2. The game takes place in 2 time periods, the late 1980s and the year 2025. It continues the plot of Black Ops, and players alternate between controlling Alex Mason and Frank Woods, 2 of the game's original characters. Players control Alex Mason's son, David, in 2025, and players in both periods are seeking Raul Menendez, who is responsible for a second Cold War in 2025 and kidnapped Woods in the 1980s. The gameplay, plot, multiplayer, and zombie modes in Black Ops 2 have all garnered positive reviews. In its first 24 hours of release, it made $500 million. Call of Duty 4: Modern Warfare Remastered. Call of Duty 4 was the first game in the Modern Warfare series to be launched, and it ushered in a new era of first-person shooter games. The original game, developed by Infinity Ward and distributed by Activision, was released in 2007. The upgraded edition, which included multiplayer gaming, was launched in 2017, and it was something that longtime COD fans had been hoping to see. Without a question, it is one of the best remasters in video game history. Call of Duty: Modern Warfare 2. Call of Duty: Modern Warfare 2 is the best Call of Duty game of all time. Infinity Ward created the game, which was released by Activision in November 2010. This time, the game follows Task Force 141 as they search for Russian terrorist Vladimir Makarov, while also defending the country from an invasion by the Russians. From a first-person perspective, players control 5 distinct characters throughout the game and are treated to some new features and weaponry. Modern Warfare 2 received critical acclaim upon release, selling about 4.7 million copies in the United States and the United Kingdom in its first 24 hours, as one would expect from the best Call of Duty game of all time. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.